How's it going, everyone? Shane again from the Crawdad YouTube channel. We're going to go over the seat brackets I made for my first gen 4Runner today. I had made a whole video, like 15 minutes long, and I deleted it somehow. I didn't have enough storage or something, so I'm just going to go over what I've done and make the best of it. So here is the Mastercraft seats that I acquired. They are used, but they're in good condition, and they came with seat warmers in them, so that's pretty cool. So here, I just kind of have it. So yeah, this is a third gen seat mount that I cut the top half of it off basically, and as you can see, like right there, I kind of cut down there, and I did the same thing on the other side so that I could make a bracket for the Mastercraft seat. So I could just obtain the factory sliders and everything like that. So here, let me pull this off here, just sitting on here. So what I had did here is, this is 1.5 HREW. I capped the ends and welded nuts on the inside so I could run the bolts through the side. And this is, I think 2x3 box steel that I kind of cut at an angle there so I could put the bolt hole through there, and I did that front and back. So yeah, it turned out pretty good. Just got it up painted today and seat bolts on and everything, so that's good. I need some paracord. I had to have the seat cover fixed because it was ripped. So, and the cord, it has to go all the way around this and then tie together. So I need to get a new cord so I can tie it all together. These are the plugs for the heat warmers. They have a switch and relay and all that stuff. But so here is the mounts. Let's throw them in there and you can kind of see how they fit. So got them in the first gen here. Oh, I got a bolt in here. So I will show you something though. I didn't know this until I did the seats. So this is a factory first gen seat mount hole, and then hidden under the carpet there is another threaded hole right here. Let's see if I get in the bottom. You can see it. No, you can't really see under there. Anyway, there's a threaded hole right here. It's already there. I think it's covered with wax or something like that, so you can cut the carb out a little bit, and then you have another bolt hole for a different generation seat rail. This is a third gen seat rail on both sides. So you can see that seat mount just goes right there in that hole. It's pretty awesome how they've made them both fit. But yeah, that's how it sits in there. So here's how the seat looks in the rig. I tried to mount as low as I could. I thought it was going to be a lot lower than it is. When you sit in it, you're in there pretty high, which is okay for the passenger because my girlfriend's short and it'll probably help her see over the dash. But for tall people, it might be a little bit weird sitting in there, but it's for me, not them. But anyway, got that in there. It's not bolted down or anything yet. I just kind of wanted to show you what it looked like in there. I'm going to use these covers that came with the factory seats, and they are going to go on there like that, I think, just to kind of hide some stuff and just makes it look a little more finished. Maybe might kind of cut it up a little bit or something just to kind of make it flow better, but thought about doing that. Let me know if I should or not. Really, I'm kind of up in the air on that. I don't really mind how it looks like that either, but it just kind of makes it look a little bit nicer. Besides that, oh yeah, I wanted to ask you guys, do you guys have any of these door stoppers? The people I bought this 4Runner off of installed these speakers, which is cool, it has speakers, but they ran the speaker wire through here. I've never seen anyone do that before, but it makes my door just swing on close, so it's kind of annoying. Trying to work on it, I had to prop a piece of wood in there to hold my door open. So if you guys have any of these laying around, any first gen guys, or I don't know if any other generations will fit, I don't really care, but let me know so I can try to get that fixed. But yeah, that's the progress on the seats for now. Alright, well I think that's going to do it for this video. Like I said, I made a whole video on how I made these seat brackets, and it got deleted sometime today, or I deleted it today somehow. I'm not very savvy with electronics and stuff, so I was trying to download it and delete it. Anyway, I want to say thank you guys for watching. I know I'm not very good videographer or anything like that, but I'm trying my best to bring you guys some content on these first gens. I think it's pretty cool, and no one really does it. I see lots on JKs and stuff like that, but I don't really see anything on these old Toyotas. I mean, there's some stuff on YouTube, but not a whole lot really. But I think next time on the episode, we're going to try to tackle the 2 to 4-wheel drive and try to figure out why it's not going into 2-wheel drive, because I kind of need that. That's why I got the triple sticks. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button, and have a good night.